how to launch your business by giving away value upfront and have your first five-figure contract. What if I told you the secret to launching and growing your business isn't about selling, it's about giving? I'm living proof that you can hit massive financial goals like having your first five-figure contract with a brand new business by simply giving away value upfront, whether it's showcasing your talents, teaching what you know, or helping others for free. This approach not only builds trust, but creates a magnetic pull towards your product or service. Ready to learn how to use this game changing strategy to launch and grow your business? Then listen up. Look, you don't need to sell aggressively in anything that you do. Helping others first can bring more success than you could ever imagine. The failures you may have faced in launching your business weren't your fault. Most people aren't taught the power of giving value first up front. Fear of giving away your expertise for free might be holding you back. What if it could be the key to building trust and attracting customers? You've always suspected that generosity might lead to bigger opportunities, and you're absolutely right. It's time to stop grinding endlessly and start leveraging the law of reciprocity to let the opportunities come to you. So I want to share with you a quick story of every business that I've ever got to go and had like success in. Came from this idea of giving value first. I want to tell you a few examples of things that I currently do and things that I've done in the past. So I have this dance troupe, a Native American dance troupe, where we dance and do presentations. But when I launched this idea of doing a dance troupe, I literally had no prospects. I had no money for marketing, and nobody knew who we were and that we were actually doing this business. So what I did was I reached out to my target market, which was elementary schools, and I called them up and I said, "Hey, we're a dance troupe, Native American dance troupe. We'd love to come to your school and do a performance and some education for your kids, and I think it'd be pretty cool for them." And a lot of them like, "Oh man, this is an amazing idea, but we don't have it in the budget right now." And I said, "You know what? That's absolutely okay. I just want this education to get out there. I want to show you that we're good to do business with and have this relationship." And sure enough, they said, "Oh, okay, that's a win. Let's do it." And so we'd go to the school and we'd do our dance troupe performance, our education, engaging with the kids, and it's such an awesome time. The school loves it, and they just can't believe how much value they got. Anyway, I would do this with 4 or 5 schools, and I'd go out there and do these free, awesome, amazing presentations. Soon the word got out that we were this awesome group, and they started telling other schools that, and told other schools that told this organization and that organization. And so when people start calling you, now's the time where you could start charging and building your business. And that's what we did. And now, we'll get five-figure contracts and free flights and hotel rooms and traveling internationally. It all started with this idea of giving value first, because when you do that upfront, it creates trust, it builds relationships, and it opens doors to business opportunities. Now, let me tell you the 3 secrets that go with this. So secret number 1 is to give value freely. Some of the things that you could do as a business, and that I see a lot of businesses do, and the things that I do, you could do online things like give away free webinars, master classes, a free email newsletter that they could sign up to where you give them helpful value. You can create a series of helpful videos or in-person demonstration. What I like to do too is, if you're a product only business, create a free video series of what problem your product solves. There's a real good marketing quote that I learned back in the day is, when people go to buy a drill, they don't actually want a drill. They want a hole. So advertise on how to make a hole in order to sell drills. You could rewind that if you want and write that one down, because that one changed my life when it came to business. But what the thing is, when you're giving away things for free up front, It builds credibility and it showcases you as the expert out there. And all the other businesses out there are asking for money, buy my stuff. But you could be the elephant in the room that just stands out so much, because instead of you saying, buy my stuff, you're saying, hey, let me help you up front first. Let me give you some value first. Let me show you what problems this could solve. Let me show you my talent up front. You don't have to pay me $2,000-$3,000 to have me out. Let me just come out for free so I could show you how good I am. So in the future, when you have events, you could hire me. Like, to give that value up front, especially if you're new and you're a brand new business. But this works for any business. And even if you've been doing business for 20 years now, you have so much expertise that you could share and give value to people. All right, let's go to secret number 2, which is basically what I've been saying. Leverage the law of reciprocity. There's an energy thing. When you give value up front without wanting anything back, people who you're serving, they naturally want to gift you back, whether it's gifts, whether it's their time, whether it's their network, and they tell you your business to other businesses and they talk highly of you. The law of reciprocity is going to work for you. The law of cause and effect. This is the cause is you giving good value, helping people. And the effect is now they want to do business for you. You know, this past summer, I started a live streaming business. And it's the first time we added this product into our business. But nobody knew that we did live streaming, and we weren't the first choice out there when people thought live streaming. And so what we did was we started to call these events and said, hey, we do live streaming and we'd love to live stream to our audience of 250,000 people, a perfect audience for your event. And the very first question is, how much does it cost? We don't have no money with the budget. We didn't plan for this, so it's not in the budget. And we knew that we didn't care. We just said, just let us come set up for you. Let's create this relationship. Let me give you value, and we can get the content out on our channels. And so that was already a win. So we show up to the event and we show them that we could live stream. We show them that it goes out to a big audience. We show them that there's a lot of people seeing their event because we've done this. And guess what? The second event, we did the same. The third event, we did the same. Fourth event, we did the same. By that time, we had so much emails and so much requests for us to go live stream at other events that we started to make a lot of money. And we had our first 5-figure contract with this service, a totally brand new product, brand new service. This is how you do it with the law of reciprocity. Secret number 3 is reinvest the profits so you could scale up. It's such a beautiful thing when you reinvest your profits, especially your initial profits, because this is going to help you grow. This is going to help you reach more people. This is going to help you to be able to serve more people. So what we did, for example, we have a Cree program, a language program, and we offer 52 weeks of language lessons for free. And all you have to do is sign up and give us your email. But we also have an offer. So as soon as they give us their email, we present them with an offer to buy a product off of us. And so a lot of people take up that offer and they say, yeah, we'd love to buy this product because it goes with the free training. And so they buy the product. And what we did was we took that income it was making and we reinvested it into Facebook ads. And now these ads are reaching hundreds of thousands of people because we continually to make sales that we keep reinvesting to reach more people. And that way it grew. And this is such a successful business that we do in a business model, but it allows us to reach even more people. So here's the call to action. Those are the 3 secrets. The call to action is for you to pick one way to give value upfront, whether it's creating daily YouTube videos, maybe helpful posts on Pinterest, maybe a webinar, a free newsletter, a free video series. Do something to give away value and commit to it. Commit to it. It's all about consistency. It's all about you continually hitting the market up with value and helping them change their lives or whatever it is to solve a problem with your product or service. And this whole approach transformed my business and any business that I've ever done. And I invite you to follow our journey by subscribing to our channel, subscribing to our blog. And because we've been giving out daily tips like this and strategies for you to launch and grow your business, build your wealth, and become a better person. With that, thank you so much for listening, and we'll talk soon.